Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will learn about what is network topology and its different types. So, let us start. Network topology is how computers connect or relate to one another in a computer network. It is of two types, physical topology and the second one is logical topology. Physical topology describes the way of computers connect with the help of cables, and logical topology describes the way of data flows from one computer to another within a computer network. The most common computer network used to interconnect physically distributed computers is local area network, which has three main topologies: bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. Others are mesh topology and hybrid topology. Remember that the data in the network layer is in the form of IP packets, and IP packets are packed into frames in the data link layer. Physical layer then transmits the frames into transmission media, for example, network cables. So, in a computer network, the data moves from one computer to another in the form of frames. In our next video, we will discuss about bus topology. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.